Welcome back. Now it's time for your midday sports. After suffering a 3-0 defeat to Argentina in his first match in charge of the Reggae Boyz, head coach Jamie Grimson says there were clear positives for the squad from the contest. The two-time world champions extended their unbeaten run to 35 games as Lionel Messi bagged a second-half brace to condemn the Jamaicans to the defeat. Grimson says despite his disappointment with the result, there was more to take from the contest.
The good thing is that that's not unique to us, because the effect will be as it is with Jamaica, so too the Cameroons. So maybe a number of these players who participated in this unique encounter will be unavailable. But of course, this is another opportunity to expose our young players.
Now, the local delegation returns to the island this afternoon at 4:40. And the Reggae Boyz will be back in action on November 9 against World Cup-bound Cameroon for another friendly international match in that country. JFF President Michael Ricketts made the announcement following the completion of the match against Argentina on Tuesday evening. While noting that the fixture against Cameroon doesn't fall within a FIFA window, Ricketts says that this may be a chance for new faces to come to the fore. Most top European leagues will break on November 12 or 13 for the World Cup in Qatar, which kicks off on November 20. The MLS will break on November 5. Now, the Jamaica Tallows will face the Ghana Amazon Warriors in the second CPL qualifier today at 6 p.m. following their 33-run victory over the St. Lucia Kings in the elimination match at the Providence Stadium in Guyana on Tuesday. Having been sent to bat, the Tallows posted 148 for 8, with Shamar Brooks top scoring with 47 off 31 balls. Mohamed Nabi was the next best with 31 not out of 15, while Raymond Reefer chipped in with a 23-ball 25. David Visa took 3 for 19 for the Kings, while Azari Joseph picked up 2 for 31. The Kings, chasing 149 for victory, were dismissed for 115 in 18 overs. Faf du Plessis led the way with 41, while Joseph got an undefeated 28 against Mohamed Nabi, 3 for 10, Fabian Allen, 3 for 28, and 2 wickets apiece for Imad Wazim and Mohamed Amir. The winner of the Tallows Amazon Warriors clash today will meet the Barbados Royal in the grand finale on Friday, also at the Providence Stadium. And that's it for your Miss Sports. Shane, it's back to you.